puppy name reveal and do-it-yourself pet owner pendants.
Hello Studio Squad, welcome to Keiota Studio. In this video I will be revealing my new puppy's name. Special thanks to my subscribers, you are my Studio Squad. He is sleeping right now. I'm going to let you peek at him. He's moving a tiny bit. There he goes, he's sleepy.
I'm sleepy. This is my puppy. He doesn't really want to show his face right now because he's sleepy. He's a sleepy puppy.
A few names that I considered for him were Audric, Mars, and Milo. I decided to go with the name Milo. Please subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. Just click the subscribe button and you can also turn on your notification bell.
Some supplies that I use are Mod Podge, pendant backings, Shrinky Dinks, markers, wooden craft sticks, scissors, a glue gun, glue sticks, oven, and parchment paper. All the supplies that I use are listed inside of the description of this video. Let's get started. This heart has a blue outline because I grabbed the dark blue by accident when I first drew this heart. I still like the way it turned out. I colored these shapes with both the Sharpie permanent markers and the Chartpak professional markers. I really like the vibrant colors that I've used for all of these shapes. Which shape is your favorite? Please leave a comment down below. I'm cutting the shapes out. This is how they looked after they were finished baking. I put them in the oven on 325 degrees Fahrenheit and they took about 2 minutes to bake. I am using the hot glue gun to place the pendant backings on. I placed the Mod Podge on and then I smoothed it around with a craft stick. It took a very long time for these to dry. It was about 12 hours. They're all done. Here's mine for Milo. This is the name of my sibling's dog. This is the name of my friend's puppy.
Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and watch my next video.